Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily rename a file in Windows 11. So let's start. So let's say that I'm going to have a file here. I will transfer it from my second monitor, like this one here. What you want to do is simply right click on the file, and then you're gonna have copy, cut, and rename. If you're gonna have the file like this, it will appear right here. Right click on it and click rename. And then you want to like, this is renamed profile. Or like picture, whatever. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Right click on it, and next to the cut is going to be copy and then rename. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.